Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this.
My home in Northwest Albuquerque was built in 1936. I bought it in June 2014 after an extensive remodeling job was completed. The original bathtub service was not included in the remodel. It was desperately in need of resurfacing, so I hired A Grip to complete the job. The technician, Thomas, was courteous and prompt in contacting me and arriving for our scheduled appointment on time. I am 100% satisfied with the finished results of my bathtub resurfacing, thanks entirely to Thomas's professional experience and expertise. I highly recommend A Grip to anyone looking for a company that will deliver the services as promised on their website.
Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.